Your horoscope for January 25th, Balancing Big Dreams and Everyday Life. Hey everyone! Today, January 25th, the moon in Sagittarius clashes with Saturn in Pisces. This means you might feel pulled in two directions. One part of you wants to dream big, explore, and take risks, while another part reminds you of responsibilities and rules. Instead of letting this tension stress you out, use it as fuel to make smart choices and take action. Let's see how this energy affects each zodiac sign. Let's start with the fire signs. You thrive on passion and action, but today's energy asks you to slow down and reflect. Aries, you're growing and learning a lot about yourself. It's time to let go of beliefs that no longer serve you. If something has been holding you back, trust yourself to move forward. Leo, you may have some fears about your career or big goals. Instead of avoiding them, face them head on. Even small steps will help you move forward. Sagittarius, this is a big day for self-reflection. What do you truly believe in? Where do you want to put your energy? Don't waste time on things that drain you. Focus on what excites you. Earth signs, you like to stay grounded, but today's energy might push you to think outside the box. Taurus, you have more control over your life than you realize. If doubts creep in, remind yourself that you're capable of shaping your own reality. Believe in yourself. Virgo, expect moments of sudden clarity today. Pay attention to new ideas or information. It could lead you to something important. Keep an open mind. Capricorn, your imagination is working overtime, which might feel overwhelming. Instead of shutting it down, explore your ideas. You never know what creative breakthrough could come from this. Air signs, communication, and mental clarity are your strengths, and today's energy encourages deep thinking and important conversations. Gemini, speak up. Whether it's with friends, family, or even a journal, express what's on your mind. Deep conversations will bring you new insights. Libra, things might shift unexpectedly today, but don't stress. Stay flexible and pay attention to how different energies influence your decisions. Aquarius, it's a great day to have honest conversations with friends. Let them know what you need in your relationships. It will only make your connection stronger. Water signs, you're deeply intuitive, and today's energy encourages you to trust your gut feelings. Cancer, you have more inner strength than you think. Don't let past experiences hold you back. Make bold choices and move forward with confidence. Scorpio, focus on your goals and don't be afraid to share your ideas with others. Your thoughts are valuable and people will appreciate your perspective. Pisces, you might feel stuck or restricted in some way, but it's time to break free. Let go of fear and embrace change. This is your moment to step into something new. Today's energy might feel a little push and pull, but remember, tension can be a good thing. It pushes us to think, grow, and make changes. Use this day to balance your dreams with reality, and you'll come out stronger. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily horoscopes. See you next time.